Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EC, coming to you with a knife video, I guess you could call it. This is over an item that I've had for quite a while, but I forgot I had it. And I had to do a review on it. So we're going to take a look at this. This is a Victorinox Swisscard Lite. And got about 10 functions, and I don't know if any of y'all have one of these, but they're real handy, especially if you don't like carrying a pocket knife, or you're in a situation you can't carry something, but you still want to carry something that is usable and functional. And we'll go through all the functions and features on it. And this one I had for a while. If you can see though, I cracked mine from carrying it in my wallet. So I had to quit carrying it in my wallet, and I started carrying it in the back of my little ID packs here. I have a zipper on this ID card holder that I carry around my neck at work, and I slip it in there, and it fits perfect. So I've always got it with me, and if I ever need it, it's there. But first of all, probably foremost, you can see that it's a little magnifying glass here. It's real similar to the other small magnifying glasses on your Victorinox brand. You can see that. Hopefully, it magnifies that pretty well for if it's something that's hard to read. It has scissors, which these are not the full-size scissors, but they're very useful. And it has a small knife right there. It also has a little screwdriver in it, Phillips flat tip, a couple different size Phillips, for emergencies like any other multi-tool. It has the tweezers right here, and I taped these down for some reason, so we're going to go ahead and pull that tape off so you can see it. Probably put the tape on there so it wouldn't back out and become lost. Let's see, get this off. Don't have any fingernails, so I'm having a little struggle here. And it's been on there for a while. But there it goes. Okay, here we go. It's coming off. All right. If you look, it has a needle, straight pen, and here is your ink pen. So let's put those back in there, and it does write. This is a pressurized pen, but it does write. You see that? And I'm not the greatest pen, but like I said, this whole thing is set up for, when I think of these as, this is your spare tire. You carry this with you in case you need something on the road, you're away from home, and you don't have or the office, and you don't have the convenience of reaching over and grabbing something. Let's put that tape back down there. Hopefully it'll stay. There's the tweezers right there. This all slides in. It also has a light. If you see that, that's the battery right there. The light is right there, but unfortunately my battery is dead on this. But the switch to activate it's right there. Not a real great light, but it'll get you can illuminate a keyhole or something small. And, that's always helpful when you're trying to find your keys or whatever. You're in a dark situation, you just need a little bit of light. So that knife it's sharp. It will cut, it will cut paper. Pretty sharp on knife, said, you're not going to trim a steak with it, but, you know, it is usable. But that's pretty much it. It also has a ruler there, if you can see that. And it's covered by Victorinox lifetime warranty. So I may try to return it and see what they'll say about, I may contact them, see if they'll warranty this crack. I don't know if they will or not, but if not, it's cool. I got my use out of it. I've had it for several years, so we're gonna put it over here with the ID little badge. But once again, I just wanted to put that video out there because I found it. I thought, have I done a review on this? I don't think I have. So for those of you who have used one and have one, let us know what you think of them. I think it's a handy, you know, handy item to have. It has almost all the functions of a compact, you know, real similar to a compact that I've made by Victorinox. But the height is 2 inches, the length is 3.2 inches, and the width is 2.2 inches, and the weight is 9.9 ounces, so it's less than an ounce. Very lightweight. It is not TSA approved. You'll lose this if you take it through the TSA line. Simply, you know, they're so crazy sometimes. It could be for anything from the scissors to the knife or whatever, but I wouldn't risk it. So anyway, hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.